In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your proofing language in Microsoft Word. This is a crucial skill, especially if you're working with documents in multiple languages or need to ensure your text adheres to specific regional spellings and grammar rules. Let's begin by opening Microsoft Word. Once Word is up and running, look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. This will bring you into the Backstage view, where you can customize many of Word's settings to fit your needs. From the menu on the left, you'll want to scroll down and select Options. Clicking on Options opens up a new window that manages various settings for your Word program. Within this window, look for Language. This section is where we can adjust the language settings for both display and editing purposes. Now, in the Language Settings window, pay attention to the part titled Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. This is where you can check which languages are available for editing and proofreading. What you're looking for here is to see if English is already listed among your Office authoring languages. If English isn't visible in the list, don't worry. Adding it is straightforward. You'll see a button labeled Add a Language. Go ahead and click on that. The program will present you with a whole selection of languages. Here's where you select the version of English that best suits your requirements. For instance, if you're working from the United States, you might choose English, United States. If you're in the UK, then English, United Kingdom would be appropriate. Make your selection and click Add. Once you see English appear in the list of authoring languages, select it by clicking on it. Then, click the button labeled Set as Preferred. This action effectively prioritizes English as your default editing and proofreading language. By making it your preferred choice, Word will automatically apply these settings to your new documents, ensuring consistent language settings moving forward. After setting your preferences, click OK to confirm your choices. Word may prompt you to restart the program to fully apply these changes. If so, save any documents you're working on, close Word, and then reopen it. This will ensure your new language settings are correctly initialized and ready for use. Following these steps will help you smoothly navigate through your documents with the correct spelling and grammar standards tailored to English. Whether you're preparing reports, essays, or any content, having your language settings properly configured is key to maintaining professionalism and clarity. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials for enhancing your productivity with Microsoft Office tools.